FPC versus Bondi. Post office gun bans ruled unconstitutional, bringing a whole new meaning to going postal. This case is out of the Northern District of Texas, striking down the federal prohibition of firearms at the post office. But there's a catch, guys. Real quick, if you like this kind of content, please subscribe and leave a comment below. This is Firearm Policy Coalition's direct challenge to 18 United States Code Section 930 Sub A, which prohibits carrying firearms at federal facilities and buildings. It's also a challenge to 232.1 Sub 1 conduct on postal property. But guys, like I said, there's a catch. This only applies to Firearms Policy Coalition members. It doesn't strike down the law altogether, but I still think it was a win worth bringing to your attention. Now, in this case, the government tried to argue that this was legal under Bruin. They even tried to misuse Bruin and say the burden of proof was on the citizens, on the plaintiffs, and not the government. And that's where Pam Bondi's Department of Justice made a mistake in district court, because the burden of proof lies on the government, not the citizens. For those of you that don't understand New York State Rifle and Pistol Association versus Bruin's ruling, there is a test of text, history, and tradition applied to all gun law, past, future, and present. Meaning that once it goes to court, it's going to have those tests applied, and if it doesn't align with the Founding Fathers' views on guns and firearms in 1791, then it's null and void in the courtroom. And they didn't start banning firearms at post offices until 1960 through 1970. 200 years after the Second Amendment was ratified. This is also only going to apply to single building post offices. If it's attached to another federal building or part of a federal facility or on a military base, you can't carry in there. The DOJ tried to claim that they own all post offices so they can ban whatever they want at them, but that's not how it works. And that would have set a very dangerous precedent for future cases where the federal government can just go, I own it, you don't have rights. Remember, guys, this only applies to Firearms Policy Coalition members that were plaintiffs in this case. Don't just take my word for it. Look into it for yourself before you carry into the post office. Let me know what you guys think about this down below. Leave a like and comment to help boost this video and give other people this great news. As always, subscribe and follow me on Instagram. I'm always going to bring you guys daily Second Amendment news, and I'm going to post as many videos as I can every day, keeping you up to date with gun laws and violations of our constitutional rights at any county, city, or state, federal level.